Respected Honorable Chief Guest of the Day, Dr. V.K. Saraswat, Adarani, Sunil Ambekar ji, Ashish ji, Mamata, Pankaj, beloved dignitaries and my dear friends. Uttishth Bharat. What do you mean by Uttishth? Uttishta Uttishta Govinda Uttishta Garuda we hear in Suprabhadam. For what this word is used? To awaken. Is it not? लोगों को जगाने के लिए है ना? और किसको जगाना पड़ता है? जो सोए हुए हैं. तो आपको मैं उत्तिष्ठ बोलने की जरूरत है? आप सोए हुए हैं? अरे आप तो जगाने वाले लोग हैं. पूरे इंडिया को, पूरा भारत को जगाने वाले लोग हैं आप. So we are organizing this ingenious youth convention for what? In which occasion? Now you must tell. Now you are no more a guest to us. The moment I say namaste, namaste means there are so many meanings. One meaning which I understand is na aham asti. The moment I say namaste, there is no I and you. There only we exist. So you are no more guest to us. You are host. So, now you tell me on which occasion we are organizing this event. 150th birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. If one Swami Vivekananda could awaken the entire world, can we 500 or 600 people awaken entire India or not? Yes or no? Yes. Not enough. Yes. Exactly. So only a Vivekananda can awaken the world. So who is Vivekananda? In each one of you there is a Vivekananda. Viveka and Ananda. One who embodies Viveka and Ananda becomes a Vivekananda. And he has the potential to awaken the entire world. If you remember, जब आप छोटे थे, कहीं भी आप जाते हैं, लोग खुश हो जाते हैं कि नहीं? When you are a child, है कि नहीं? So now you see, reflect, introspect yourself. When you go anywhere, how people feel? Do they feel happy or do they feel gloomy? Then you are a Vivekananda. If there is a spark, in childhood there was a spark, and if there is a spark, there is a scope for light. It is for you to make it into a sun or not, like Dr. Saraswat did. So the moment Dr. Saraswat entered, we all became very attentive. We are focused. Our focus is on him. Is it not? Now, let me tell you, he will light the lamp and go. Still, only sun is not required. Sun's presence is enough. Even in the presence of sun, all activities happen. But we need candles also, lamps also. We are very much inspired with his presence. We will take photographs from him. We will plan our future based on his inspiring, enlightening words. But जब रात को भूख लगेंगे, अरे ऑर्गेनाइजर कहाँ है, नागराज जी कहाँ है, नरेश कहाँ है, डाइनिंग हॉल कहाँ है? So they are the lamps. Both are light. Both have their importance in their own place. So there is a spark in everyone. So it is up to us to make it into a lamp or candle or sun. It doesn't matter. But you should always shine. And we are here to shine and make the entire country shine. So it is my pleasure to introduce Pankaj, co-convener of this event. So Pankaj, he is an MBBS student in one of the reputed MGM Medical College, Indore. And he also carries out a lot of societal activities, including one Anubhav, where a lot of tribal professionals comes. They reach out to tribal students and teach them, and a lot of activities they carry out. Also, we have Mamata Tripathi. She did MA in Sanskrit and philosophy and now doing PhD also. Her topic is Yoga Vasishtha, and she had recently went to which place? US? Boston, and presented a paper on space and time. According to her, it is all a dream. We don't exist. Everything is a dream. So we need someone to take out of the dream. And we have Ashish ji Hayes from Himachal Pradesh. Now works in Gujarat. And he is like an avadhuta, as prescribed in Yoga Vasishtha. He works like an avadhuta, awakening people from places to place. So without taking much time, I will request Ashish ji to brief about how this idea, Think India, came. Maybe it is better, he is a better person to speak. Thank you, Manju.